Good evening, fellas. And today is a nice day for me. I've got some nice upgrades to the shop. My wife Susan was away in New York with my daughter, and over the last few months, I've been sending stuff. I didn't even remember all the various things I've sent up. I just thought I'd go through some of the goodies that I got. The first one is a huge improvement to the turbo carver. I got some additional tubing. All the fittings necessary to hook that tubing up. The turbo carver came with a pretty lame foot switch that would turn the air on and off. So I upgraded and attached it to the unit, and so that really is going to make a huge difference. Number two, you may remember I had ordered the Veritas Mini Vise and I installed it this afternoon. Really fantastic little vise mounted on the front, as I said it would. I have a bigger one on the side. Very neat. It wasn't as simple as I said to install it, but it's now all installed, and again the cabinet works perfectly. So that's really cute. Then I've been eyeing this for the longest time. This is a Milwaukee high speed, my equivalent to the Dremel. So now a little free from the cord, and I don't know how well it'll work, but it uses the same 12-volt batteries that all my other tools use, so it was really a great addition. And it only cost me 60 US to get it here. Over the years I've collected a few hand planes, this being the main plane that I use, an old Stanley, but I also had two from Lee Valley. This one gets right up into the corners, and this one is the one that I use most of the time, and I felt I needed one step above that. And so going through the Lee catalog one day, I just couldn't resist it. It's a little better, a little longer, lots of controls. I haven't really used it yet, but it'll be interesting to see how well it does. And then with all these small chisels, I couldn't use the big Veritas system on it. So here is a miniature version so that we can establish the correct angle on all these miniature chisels. It fits beautifully inside. You can set the angle, comes with a little gauge. I haven't figured it out yet, but I will. But it allows me to set for these miniature chisels, and it allows me to establish a real sharp edge on fine chisels. The last improvement to the shop was the addition of more lights. I converted this old microphone stand, which really turned out to be perfect for what I wanted. It has an adjustable arm that I can move the light, turn it anywhere, which way I want, and tighten it up. This was an inexpensive LED that I purchased in a light store. Really, in US dollars, probably about $10 or $15 for it. An extension cord with a switch on it, and I'm going to turn this away because it'll distort, but really it's absolutely super for working. I can work on the mill with it. Really quite inexpensive, and the base is a typical microphone stand, big round stand, so it's fairly secure, and I think this is one of the better improvements I've made to the shop this year. So those are the toys I've added to the shop. I'm real happy. and I'll let you know over time how well they work out. We'll see you next time, and remember, just keep modeling.